Ready to ditch the headphones and blast your Apple Music library throughout your home with the power of your voice? Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have the Apple Music app installed on your iPhone or iPad and that you're subscribed to Apple Music, of course. Now, grab your phone and open the Google Home app. It's the key to connecting everything. Tap the plus sign, usually located at the top left corner. This will kick off the setup process. Choose the music and audio option from the menu. This is where you'll link your Apple Music account. You should see Apple Music listed as a music service. Tap the link icon next to it. You'll be prompted to sign in with your Apple ID. Enter your credentials carefully, just as you would when logging into Apple Music directly. Once signed in, the Google Home app might ask you to set Apple Music as your default music provider. This means when you just say, "Hey Google, play some music," it will automatically choose Apple Music. And that's it. Now you can say things like, "Hey Google, play my chill mix," or "Hey Google, play artist name on Apple Music." Experiment and enjoy. If you run into any snags, double check your internet connection. Make sure both the Google Home app and Apple Music app are updated. And verify that you're signed into the correct Apple ID. For more help, check the description.